The Internet was first opened to the public in the early 1990s. Lightning strikes the Earth about 8 million times each day. Penguins live only in the Southern Hemisphere. The first photograph ever taken was captured in 1826. Glass is made from sand when it is heated to a very high temperature. The world's first 3D printed house was built in less than 24 hours. Dolphins communicate through a complex system of clicks and whistles. The human brain stops growing at the age of 25. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity.